Hello everybody, and welcome back to my channel where every day is Halloween. In today's video, we will actually be unboxing my best choice products, Funhouse, Freddy, Animatronic, that you saw in my halfway to Halloween haul video. And this guy, you actually can get him on Amazon, and he's not that expensive either. I think I paid maybe like $60 for him or something like that, so price isn't too terrible. Anyways, let's get to the setup, shall we? Alright, so before you start the setup, there is something you want to grab that is not included in the package. You're going to want 3 AA batteries, because this guy actually runs on batteries, not on electricity. So once you have your batteries, let's get to unboxing him now and setting him up. So this is the main clown piece here, and it's a pretty simple and easy 3-step setup, so it's not that involved to build really. So get the support poles here. And grab my scissors so I can open these up. These are the support poles. That help him stand up. These are all the support poles here. You get 3 of these support poles, and 2, I assume these are probably adapters to attach the poles together. So those are the support poles, and what I assume are probably to hold the poles together. And here's the base. Just a simple, kind of like you might see on a Christmas tree kind of base, it looks like, where it's like the middle piece and then like the side pieces connect to it. So, yep, here it is. Here's the base middle there. And then here are the actual pieces of the base here. The 4 little round things that stick in the base. I'll open them after I get this set up. So I'm just going to start by putting the base together. You want to make sure that this part here, the flat part on the bottom here, is facing down when you put these in, because that is what helps to stabilize it. May have to bang them in a little bit, because these don't always like to go in easily. Alright, so there's the base. So now I'm going to assume it probably doesn't matter so much which one goes on the bottom. I think they're all the same. Yeah, so get that one there. And then, yes, these appear to be adapters to put the poles together. So put another one in here. And then one more up here. Oh, this guy's gonna be pretty tall. Let me see if I can bring the camera up a little more here. Didn't realize he was going to be quite this tall. So... and I hope that he is tall enough. So now, we just need to open the main clown and attach it to the support poles. Here he is. Just trying to untangle him here. There we go. I mean, he's not really that fancy per se, but he's still pretty cool. I'm just gotta figure out how I attach him to the support poles. So there's probably a hole or something. Oh yes, there it is. Let's see if I can find the attachment point. Somewhere around here it's going to be. Okay, found it. Just gotta get out of here now. Alright, so you're gonna have to fish around inside of him. There's like a hole in the seat of pants. You wanna find this little tube here. This is how he attaches to the poles. And you're just gonna wanna slip that right over the top pole like this. Make sure it attaches fully. Just making sure that's in firm. This guy's actually a lot taller than I thought he was going to be, so. And the cool thing is, he's got posable arms. Looks like I might actually need to get a little bit more height here on my tripod. Just bear with me, I didn't expect it to be this tall. I hope this is tall enough that you can see him easily. Maybe not. There he is. There you can see him a little bit better. So he's actually really tall. He's got this really cool, like, fabric on him. And he does come with the assembly instructions attached to him. I'm just gonna cut the plastic piece holding those attached to him, and I'm going to stick those in the box so that way when I put them away I still have the instructions for assembly, so I can put them together again. I will be using this guy for Halloween because I decided the theme of my yard hunt this year, I'm going to do like an evil circus, like clown kind of guy here. So just get his other leg straightened down. So it's nothing super fancy. I mean, let's see if I can get a little more light here. I can see him a little bit better. I get my blinds closed. There you go. You can kind of see the colors a little bit better. He's got this like cool like green hair. He's got this cool hat. There we go. Gotta mess with it to get it to stay right though. but he's got this really cool, like, black and white clown hat on his head. The makeup's really cool too. I like all these like bright neon colors. So let's see if I can find where I put the batteries in here. I think it's in the back here. Yep. So I cannot demo him right now because I'm going to need a little screwdriver to open the battery compartment, but this is what he looks like. This is the Best Choice Products Funhouse Freddy. So let me give you guys a little overview of him. So you can see his really cool makeup and everything there. And then going down, his costume. I really like that he has this like cool like material here hanging from his costume. That's different. I've never seen that. Then going down, he just has simple striped and whatnot clown pants. And then if you look at the very bottom, he just has simple green and black clown shoes. So that is it for this setup video. He is a very simple setup, as you saw. You just put the base together, and then it just comes with the 3 poles that you attach together. And then his legs are soft, so you can pose them however you want. And his arms are bendable, so that is really cool. Just trying to get his other foot in front here. There we go. And there you go. So that is the Best Choice Products Funhouse Freddy Animatronic unboxing and setup. So I will have to do another video where I actually demo this guy at some point. I don't know if that's going to be right now. It might be a little closer to October because I don't have space in my room to keep this guy out right now, as cool as he is. So he's going to have to go back in the box until October. But come October, I will do a full-on setup and demo video of what this guy does. He has a couple of different phrases actually, so that's really cool. And I think his arms like move, and I think his head moves too. Yeah, you can kind of see here his head like moves, like I think it moves side to side like this, and then somehow that gets his arms to like wave or something, I think. I'm not sure. From the videos I've seen, it seems like that's what he does. So that's it for this video. Until next time, keep it fun and spooky, people. Bye. See you in the next video.